Sachin Joshi to say a few words about the campaign and his support of PETA.
Once again, good evening, everyone. Um, I should first thank to PETA for this great initiative of being vegetarian and coming up with a voice of killing against animal or any kind of fish or anything. It's a great initiative by PETA, and I completely support it, and I thank them for taking this initiative. And getting me a part of this was, it's like a privilege to me to be a part and support something like this. I've been vegetarian by birth, and somehow early days of fitness, I used to think, hey, why can't I eat non-vegetarian? Why can't I make a fitter body? Why can't I try and get natural sources of proteins? But then every time I tried, somehow every time I tried to try, my body rejected the smell naturally. So I guess I was born to be a vegetarian, and I'm proud to be a vegetarian, and I'm proud to support the PETA campaign.
Thank you so much, Mr. Joshi. And Mr. Joshi, tell us how easy it is to get a body like that with vegetarian diet. Because people think that vegetarians can't have muscular body.
No, it's completely a myth, I must say. I've been a sportsman from childhood, school times. I've always been aggressive. It's just about your metabolism. It's just about eating right. People feel vegetarians have no options, but I think vegetarians have the most options over non-vegetarians, because fish will have 5 kinds, chicken, mutton you'll have 4 kinds and 4 dishes. But in vegetarian, you have at least 30 kinds of pulses, at least 100 kinds of vegetables to eat, sources of protein like paneer, there are sources of protein like tofu, and all enriched green vegetables. I think if you plan a good diet, protein becomes the most essential to make a good body, like the one I have. But there are supplements that are available in the market which are vegetarian and which can support your meal replacement and really help you gain a good body. And that's how I think I'll be able to do it.
Completely true. Would you like to give out a message to your fans?
Well, I would like to say, in terms of humanity, I feel killing animals is not a good thing to do, or killing anything for that matter is not a good thing to do. So, being vegetarian, what I've learned, I've always spoken to my physicians, and they tell me that one advantage that you have over anybody who eats non-vegetarian food is you'll always have a good skin. Your skin would not hang with age. You will age slower. You will age healthier. And these are the benefits that being a vegetarian versus a non-vegetarian is an advantage. Being a non-vegetarian, you can feel fitter today, but in a long run, it's very harmful. Vegetarian is something that keeps you going in a long run. So I would like to say to everyone that try and be a vegetarian, see how healthy I am, see how fit I feel, and you will feel the same. I hope so. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Joshi, we are all looking forward to your next Telugu film. Would you like to say something about that?
Yeah, I mean, it's quite interesting. I've done Telugu films in the past. There was almost a gap of over 8-9 years because Telugu has been my teaching. It's like a teacher to me. I began my career there. But Hindi, I did 3 films. I always feel, it's always that you keep growing higher in life. But this is something that I did out of a sheer friendship for my friend Bandla Ganesh, who's a massive producer there. And he really wanted me to do this, and somehow got lucky with Ashiki 2. Now it's called Nee Jataga Nenu Dali, which is technically releasing on 15th of August. And hope to find some good success with the film.
Well, all the best for your movie. The floor is now open for media interviews, so if you have any questions for him, please. Anybody?
सचिन आपका आपका ये जो फोटोशूट आपने किया है, जो वीडियो किया है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्योंकि प्रसाद नायक फोटोग्राफर है, उनके साथ मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस था. बट जो उस वक्त ऑनेस्टली मैं जिस फिटनेस में था या जिस लेवल पे था, इससे कई गुना ज़्यादा उन्होंने इसको उभार के दिखाया. आई मीन, आई ट्राई टू स्टे फिट ऑल द टाइम, लेकिन कई बार क्या होता है, मुश्किल ज़्यादा करनी पड़ती है. बट इट वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर.
इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आया, स्पेशली पीटर के साथ जुड़ने की, जो कि बहुत अच्छा कॉज है और लोगों को इंस्पायर करता है?
एक्चुअली पीटा हमेशा ढूंढती है कि वेजिटेरियंस कहाँ मिलेंगे उनको, जो कि एक सेलिब्रिटी भी है या एक पब्लिक फिगर है और जो इस कैंपेन को सही ढंग से सपोर्ट कर पाएंगे. सो दे कॉन्टैक्टेड मी, एंड द मोमेंट दे कॉन्टैक्टेड मी, आई थिंक आई डिड नॉट इवन थिंक ट्वाइस, आई वाज ऑन इट.
बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि सिक्स पैक बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन आपने वेजिटेरियन में इतने सारे कितने टाइम लगा थे बनाने?
वेल 12 साल की उम्र में मैंने पहली बार डंबल उठाया था, लेकिन फुल फ्लेजेड 16 साल की उम्र से चालू कर दिया था. बट आई थिंक टाइम लगता है, सही ढंग का आपका डाइट प्लान लगता है. आई थिंक डाइट प्लेज अ मेजर रोल. ऑलमोस्ट 80% ऑफ योर बॉडी, वॉट एवर इट इज फूड. अगर आपने सही ढंग का खाना रखा, न्यूट्रिशन रखा, देन यू कैन मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ बॉडी दैट यू वांट. सो इट टुक मी, आई थिंक अजान के बाद मैंने फोकस किया कि चलो बॉडी तो अच्छी बन गई है, लेकिन क्या सिक्स पैक्स का एक बहुत चलन है. इट टुक मी ऑलमोस्ट 6 months focused on the six packs and I got it made.
आशिकी 2 की जो रीमेक बन रही है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा, बट बहुत ही कठिन रहा, क्योंकि बहुत आसान लगता है दूर से कि आप एक ड्रंकर्ड कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, आप एक रॉक स्टार प्ले कर रहे हैं, यू प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर हु इज डाइंग डाउन इन हिज लाइफ, और मतलब जो जिंदगी से कुछ चाहता ही नहीं है. तो बहुत आसान लगा इनिशियली, लेकिन जब काम करना चालू किया, जब इम्प्रोवाइजेशन चालू किया, उसके बाद एक्चुअल शूट पे पहुंच गए, तब बहुत मुश्किल का सामना करना पड़ा, बिकॉज यू हैव टू play an intense love story, intense lover, at the same time you have to play a drunkard. So it is not that easy to do. Hats off to Aditya, he did a great job with the film, and I tried my level best to make it better.
इस बारे में कोई
सचिन आपके साथ में को एक्टर कौन होंगे?
नाजिया हुसैन है, उनका डेब्यू है तेलुगु में, और शी इज़ द नीस ऑफ संजय दत्त. उन्होंने पहले भी काफ़ी यहाँ पे काम किया, वर्कशॉप किया. शी इज़ एप्ट, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी there were actresses who were discussed like Tamanna and Samantha, which are popular, but ये फिल्म को क्या एक इनोसेंस की ज़रूरत थी. एक एक्ट्रेस जिसकी आप कोई उम्मीद नहीं रख सकते उससे, तो वो कैरेक्टर ज़रूरी था. या नहीं तो वो आपका एक जो हार्ट टचिंग एक फील गुड फिल्म है या एक इमोशनल फिल्म है, वो कभी कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाएगा ऑडियंस के साथ. That's why I knew girl.
सचिन 15th को क्यों रिलीज करने की प्लान किया आपने?
अच्छा डेट है, there are good holidays coming and the film is ready to release. तो आज नहीं तो कल करना ही था.
You are a very close friend of Shah Rukh Khan as well. Will he be lending his support for you?
His support is always there, whether he's physically present or not, but he's always there. He's always been there as an elder brother, and it's regional. So I somehow feel he's such a busy man. I should not bother him for everything and anything.
Have